In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a demo of the VidJack software and how you can actually use this proprietary technology to turn any video into a profit-pulling machine. Now let's get started by actually creating a new campaign. Watch. Let's name it Test 1. Choose your video source. You can upload a video using our high-speed uploader or use our inbuilt 4K screen and camera recorder, or simply legally hijack any YouTube or Vimeo videos. Now this is our interactive video editor with several interactive elements that you can drag and drop at any point in your video. Now you have a timeline here where you can actually adjust when each element you add will pop up and when it will actually disappear. Now let's check out some of the interactive elements that you can drag and drop right on top of your video. The subscribe element allows you to grow your email list with opt-in forms. For all the elements, everything is editable. You could drag, you could resize, you could change the background color, or use one of the presets. You could change the format of the text. You could add animation. You could connect your leads to marketing platforms like email autoresponders and webinar platforms. Now let's do a preview.
We use our body weight to leverage the movements we're doing, and we have a heavy focus on the core. So if you want to get your core tight, you want to get your body ripped.
All right, here we go. You can enable the pause video option to pause the video at this point and force the users to opt in before watching the rest of the video. Now let's take a look at other interactive elements as well. We have the text element that you could drag and drop anywhere on your video. We have the reward and gamification to boost engagement. We have the create scarcity with countdown timers. It just keeps going. Listen to this. Sell and receive payments right inside your video. How about that one? You could go viral with social share widgets. You could add your images or choose from over 7 million royalty-free stock images, illustrations, and objects. This one, quiz and surveys. This one is maps. This one, video within video. And finally, embed element allows you to embed any HTML widget right on your video. That's huge. Rewards actually allows you to offer coupons, discounts, and freebies after viewers spend a certain amount of time watching your videos. You could skyrocket engagement to a level you'd have never imagined was achievable with that. Now here's how it works. You choose how many seconds viewers have to watch the video before unlocking a reward. You enter a title and a description for the reward. You upload an image for the reward. Now choose how you want to deliver that reward. You have 3 options here. You could redirect viewers to another page to claim their reward, or you could upload a file that viewers can download right inside the video. You could upload coupon codes that users can claim right inside the video as well. Now, single-use coupons can only be issued to one viewer, and the next line will be issued the next time. So let's preview our video. Wow, that's awesome. The product element allows you to sell physical or digital products right inside any YouTube or Vimeo video. This comes with 2 checkout options. The external link allows you to redirect prospects to your affiliate link. The inbuilt payment system allows you to connect your PayPal or Stripe and actually receive payments from right inside the video. Now on the campaign settings, you can enable or disable autoplay to capture users' attention. You could redirect your visitor to any URL after watching your video. You could customize the player and controls to suit your needs. You could use your custom thumbnails, enable sticky videos, or pimp your player with attractive video skins that pops. VidJack now comes reloaded with Smart Custom Audience Builder that creates targeted audiences of viewers based on watch time. Beautiful and attractive player themes to add more style and excitement to your videos. Smart password gate to secure your premium video content. Resume play technology to allow your viewers to pick up right where they left off. Revolutionary abandoned video leads technology to capture and convert viewers immediately. They pause just before they bounce from watching your video. Super fast cloud servers to host, stream, and manage all your marketing, sales, and training videos with zero buffering. Video recorder to record your screen or webcam. Simulated live technology for evergreen webinars and presentations. Enhanced privacy and geo-restriction technology to blacklist some countries from viewing your videos. QR codes so your prospects can scan and get an immersive interactive experience of your brand. VidJack auto-adjusts your content to suit mobile, laptop, tablets, and enhance the viewing experience for your videos. Now, everyone likes to feel special, right? That's why adding details to a personalized video, like your viewer's name, is the perfect way to engage and delight your audience. To embed a video, simply copy and paste this code on your website, your blog, or your sales page. Now you could use this direct link that opens in a browser to share on social media or emails. How cool is that? I bet you love it. Guess who else is going to love it? Your clients. Everyone is hosting videos on the internet. Barely anyone is truly engaging their audience up to their true potential. Hardly anyone. This is the very first time that agencies such as yourself can offer a very rare service, one that makes existing videos more interactive and more engaging. When you buy VidJack today, you also get access to our free commercial license. So you only pay once, but you profit every day from multiple clients, right? To help you land those clients fast, we are adding access to interactive video agency accelerator training as a bonus for fast action takers today. Comprehensive step-by-step training on how to start, run, and scale a successful agency business from scratch. Now, early adopters will also get access to our searchable database of over 25 million businesses that you can reach out to and sell your interactive video services. Everything has been made ridiculously simple here. There's no technical skills required. It's as easy as dragging and dropping. There are 2 support teams waiting for you too. The tech support team is on standby in case you have any challenges using the software. There's also the business support team if you need help with setting up your agency and actually getting clients. You will also be added to a one-on-one Skype group mentorship. This Skype mentorship alone is worth 10 times whatever you pay today, at least. To crown it all, everyone that joins today will have the opportunity to get with us one-on-one on a Zoom video call to answer any question and help you in real time. Now, we offer you a 100% refund within 30 days if you don't like the software for whatever reason or decide you want your money back to go buy that new shirt instead. Look, we're 100% what we're giving you today. And we're giving you a whole lot. The software, the training, the accelerator, the business database, the Skype mentorship, and other bonuses. This literally makes it a risk for you not to try, and I can't wait to see you on the inside.